So in this video, I'm going to discuss the XLMiner analysis toolpack using the Anova single factor. So I gathered this data by statisticsbygem.com, Anova, one-way Anova Excel. So we have 4 different strength data here. And what we'll do to use the Anova single factor, so you'll go to the add-in, pop it in. The input range in this example will be from A1 to D11. It's grouped by columns, labels in the first row, alpha 0.05, and the output range I had set to be in F1. Then you click OK, and the results will come out. So what this ANOVA single factor test is looking at, it's saying if the averages of the strengths overall are different. So in other words, if it's just testing a null hypothesis that the strength 1 mean equals the strength 2 mean equals the strength 3 mean equals the strength 4 mean. And we see here we have a p-value of 0.03 that's less than 0.05, and there's the F-critical value. So this would suggest that the strengths do have differences in means. It won't tell you, which ones are different, etc. But we kind of say here maybe that strength 1 and strength 3 will be different than strength 2 and strength 4. But we would need some other testing to determine that.